Hello YouTube, I'm Aftab Afridi and this is the GoPro Hero 5 Black. So today I'm gonna check if we can vlog properly on the GoPro and it doesn't look awkward. That's what we are gonna check now. Okay, so it's gonna be pretty good because many people do not think of buying GoPro for vlogs because they think it's more like an action camera, but you do action in your vlogs, so you might check this. Okay, so the reason why many people hate this is because it's fisheye kind of look, but that is also the reason why people like it. It gives a wide view, so like you can see me and it's a normal position for vlogging, but I'm not stretching my hand like this. I'm holding it in a very relaxed position. Okay, so that's really great. That's now what you get with iPhone or any other, mobile phone camera. So you do not have to worry if you're in the frame or not, because whatever you do, you're still gonna be present because it's really wide. You can also choose the narrow mode and the medium and the linear, but I like the wide because that's what we buy the camera for. Okay, so the GoPro Hero 6 has a super wide, which is more wider than this, but I do not think you would need that for vlogging. So if you're a depth of field or bokeh lover, then this camera is not for you, because there is no bokeh or depth of field in this camera. But if you like capturing really important moments, then this camera is for you, because you're not gonna have blur shots with this, because it never focuses or blurs the background. By focus I mean, isolate the subject. It's gonna focus on everything, not on a single object. Okay, so it's your choice, your opinion. You like it or not, that's your opinion. Okay, so then there is a question about the cinematics. The question is whether you can shoot cinematics with this or not for your vlogs, b-rolls. So I'm gonna show you some of the examples. So I can say nothing about the cinematics, but otherwise this camera is great and it can be used for vlogging. So now it depends on you whether you like the taste or not. You can color grade your video footage. I usually choose flat profile because it gives me a much wider hand, so I can work on it and make it more good, because I do not like the GoPro profile, which they sometimes add the contrast too much or maybe mess up the settings. But other thing that I do is I set the sharpness to the lowest, to low, because they over sharpen it. I do not like that. So yeah, my hand is not tired and it's not heavy and the quality is not bad. So that's a great camera. You can take it everywhere. When you buy the case, which is the waterproof, you can take it with you to the swimming pool or to the beach and film some really good videos. So if you have the camera, just take it and try it once again. If you don't have it, then you can buy it. Yeah, it's your choice. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Aftab_Afridi. Peace out.